Good morning, Theodore Roosevelt High School.
I'm Ada Howard.
And I'm Johnny Denning.
And these are your
morning announcements for Wednesday, April 24th, 2024. Opening is tomorrow night. The Drama Guild's One Act features 5 new short plays written and directed by students.
Support your classmates by attending one of the performances tomorrow, Friday, or Saturday night at 7 p.m. There will be baked goods and tickets on sale after school today, tomorrow, and Friday.
Hey Roosevelt, this Thursday is the NFL Draft Day. Wear a jersey of your favorite NFL team to support the NFL Draft.
Calling all Spanish students for our April Fiesta, Friday, April 26th. We will play games and eat delicious food. T-shirt designs will be due on the day of our fiesta, April 26th. We hope to see you there. Paz Amor Club Español.
Hey riders, listen up and look alive. This is how proud riders ride. It's time to announce this week's PBIS Ride winners. Mario Tucker,
Sam McKinney,
Angel Slaughter,
Johansel Uniguez.
and staff member Mrs. Dorilio.
Congratulations to today's winners. Let's continue to ride with pride, Rough Riders.
Hey Rough Riders, today is the last day to submit your self-nomination forms for the elections. Make sure you get it into your Google Classroom by the end of the day today. Thank you.
Attention all underclassmen. The Roosevelt Cross Country program will have an informational meeting next Tuesday, April 30th at 6 p.m. in the Roosevelt cafeteria for prospective athletes and their parents.
Anyone interested in participating the next fall should plan on attending. No prior experience is necessary. Come and meet the coaching staff and get the information about summer training, opportunities, and the upcoming fall schedule.
Hey Teddy Nation, May 2nd, 2024 is the blood drive. Come donate your blood and mark your calendars.
I donated my blood because I want to help people in need.
Are you interested in being a part of Roosevelt's Color Guard? Clinics and tryouts will be Monday, May 6th through Wednesday, May 8th in the auxiliary gym from 3 to 4:30 p.m. All 3 days are required. See Senora Knight for more information.
These have been your morning announcements for Wednesday, April 24th, 2024. Have a witty Wednesday, Roosevelt.